Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI to end up creating a trading bot. So first of all, we need to go and open openai.com and try ChatGPT. From here guys, I will go ahead and go to log in your account. If you don't have it already, just sign up. You can sign up using Google, Facebook account, or even Twitter accounts. Now, after you open this page, go ahead and just type hi. So we're trying to go easy on it because the traffic is so high and the data and it might not respond. So we try to give it a simple question. So hi, hello or hello, how can I help you today? Now, what I'm going to tell him is what can you create me a bot using Python for trading. So now let's see what can it do. So let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Yes, it is possible to create trading bot using Python. There are several libraries available such as CCXT, Backtrader, Pilgrim Trade, and so go on. However, creating a bot is not a simple task. It requires a good understanding of trading strategies and technical analysis, and also consider the risk management, testing, and back testing. It is also important to note that the use of trading bots on some cryptocurrency exchange, maybe please consult with a professional before you start create a trading bot. Can you make one for me? Let's see if it actually can make it for us. So let's wait. I'm sorry, I am not able to make trading bot for you as I am mentioned area. Creating bot, okay. So basically it cannot actually make us one, but what it can do is, can you show me steps on how to make one? So now let's wait. So here's an overview of the steps you would need to take to create a trading bot using. Choose a programming language. Python is a popular choice for creating trading bot because of the vast number of libraries available for it. Choose a framework or library. So now they will give you the libraries or framework. So an exchange platform, so here it is, and so go on, and yeah, by the end of the time it will give you everything. So what you need to do now is to start assembling all of these informations and to start coding. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use the AI to end up creating trading bot. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in the next tutorial.